Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of CIGRE Pathway to Power, a Next Generation Network initiative where we discuss technical topics of great interest and we discover the career paths of the passionate and dedicated people behind the grid. We are here with Ionut Diaconu at Electromontaj company in the control room of the testing station for transmission towers. Hello Ionut. Firstly, please tell us what is the activity profile of Electromontaj and what is your role in this company?
Thank you, Radu. Thank you, everyone. Electromontaj is a big company since 1949. We have different types of projects, but our specialty is the construction of overhead power transmission lines.
Okay.
Because Electromontaj built over 95% of the Romanian grid, and that's why we are so proud of this achievement. Electromontaj, it's a big group. We have all the knowledge and all the technology that we can rebuild the Romanian grid power. Here at the testing station, we test many types of towers. As we see, yesterday we just finished a testing station for a tower, and we are preparing next week to test another one. Because many companies from the entire world are coming here to test their towers. Additionally, we have our own factory that we help us to build the towers. That's why I said that we have all the knowledge and all the technology that to build new overhead power transmission lines. I work here since 2021. I started like a design engineer, and now I'm proud to say that I'm responsible to coordinate different projects.
That's great.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's a dynamic place when you learn something new every day. You have the people who they are so precious because they know so much about this industry, and every day I have something to learn from them. We have here mentors, and I'm glad to be here because I can develop myself. And I like to say when I leave at home in every morning that I go to electrify Romania.
Can you describe for us in a few words what are the main stages of the construction process for an overhead power line?
Yeah, I can start telling you that no project is the same because on every project you have something new to learn. You discover new problems and you discover new solutions. The most important stage of each project is the design phase.
Okay.
Because if you have a solid project, design project, and you know all the problems almost, because you never know all the problems that can appear on the site.
Sure.
You have a bonus point when you start the construction of overhead power lines.
Okay.
After the design phase, we have to obtain all the authorization and papers to start the construction. And then we are going on the site. We start building the foundation. Then we bring the towers on the site. We assemble them. After that, we mount the towers to the foundation, and then we mount the conductor between the towers, and then we are ready to energize the power line. It's the first point seems to be easy. In reality, it's not
very complex.
Yes, it's not so easy because you meet different logistic problems that you can solve immediately. I remember that on my first project, I go home from the site at 3 a.m. in the morning because we discovered something problematic in the site.
I wonder how could digitalization and new technologies like artificial intelligence or drones improve the efficiency of the construction process of overhead transmission lines?
Okay, in the last few years, new technologies appeared. Uh, those technologies help us to monitoring the integrity of the overhead power line,
Okay.
and that help us to prevent uh, unforeseen events. And that's a big plus for us because we can go on the site and to solve the problem before it happens. And since last year, we start using drones to mount the conductor, because when you have a big distance between two towers, we can mount the conductor with classic technology. So we use drones to mount the conductor between the towers, and that's a big plus because we save much time, and our people are safe in the situation.
Yeah. Okay, that's impressive. So, Ionut, you are now a project manager at Electromontage, and I guess that a big challenge in your job is to work with people. So, tell us, how do you manage these situations?
Okay, in my opinion, to work with people is the most important activity in all the process, because you can finish a project by yourself. You need everyone to help you to achieve what you want. Indeed, it's a big challenge because I have to listen people, I have to understand them, and then to search the best solution to integrate all the parts.
Okay.
And it's so satisfying when you finish a project and you look back and think about all the moments and all the people that help you to finish the project.
Okay, great. On the end of this interview, I would like to ask you, what was the biggest challenge you faced in your professional life?
Yeah, I remember on my first project, I just arrived on the site and someone called me and tell me that we have a problem because we found the medium voltage circuit in the place when we had to build the foundation. And we spent all the day searching solution how to move the foundation or how to move the medium voltage circuit.
Okay.
After 4 p.m. or something like that, we found a solution. We started building foundation, and after half an hour, we found another medium voltage circuit, and we broke it. And then we had to stay in the site until 3 a.m. to solve the problem, and then we arrived to accommodation 3 a.m. and then at 6 we wake up and go on site to continue the process. It was a challenge, but I remember with pleasure about that. I remember a few words of my mentor that he said when he worked or his biggest project. He said to me that sometimes when you work a project and you love what you do, you go to bed at 2 a.m. and wake up at 3 a.m. to continue the working.
Okay.
But in the final, when you finish a project, you are proud of yourself and proud of your team that you succeed to finish something that remains years.
Yes. Okay, Ionut, it seems you're really passionate about what are you doing here. Thank you for your time and for this interesting interview. I wish you success in all your following projects. Thank
Thank you, Radu, and thank you for the invitation.
Thank you too for watching this video. Stay tuned with our activity and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.